गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। ध्यान श्लोक अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अनिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। We'll do from काम्या कामकला। काम्या कामकला रूपा कदम्बकुसुमप्रिया कल्याणी जगती कंदा करुणा रससागरा कलावती कलालापा कांता कादम्बरी प्रिया वरदा वामनयना वारुणी मदविह्वला। Okay, we are done with till here. Any questions till here? You're good in chanting or meaning?
Clear, auntie.
Okay, so we'll go to the next verses. 75th. Who is volunteering to chant with me? Okay, Sitara. Ready?
Vishad.
Wait. Repeat after me, okay? Twice after me. Vishwadhika.
Vishwadika. Vishwadika.
Vedavedya.
Vedavedya. Vedavedya.
Vishwadhika Vedavedya.
Vishwadika. Vedavedya. Vishwadika. Vedavedya.
Vindhya.
Vindhya. Vindhya.
Vindhyachala.
Vindhyachala. Vindhyachala.
Vindhyachala Nivasini.
Vindhyachala Nivasini. Vindhyachala Nivasini.
Vindhyachala Nivasini.
Vindhyachala Nivasini. Vindhyachala Nivasini.
Vishwadhika Vedavedya.
Vishwadika Vedavedya. Vishwadika Vedavedya.
Vindhyachala Nivasini.
Vindhyachala Nivasini. Vindhyachala Nivasini.
Vidhatri.
Vidatri. Vidatri.
Vedajanani.
Vedajanani. Vedajanani.
Vidhatri Vedajanani.
Vidatri Vedajanani. Vidatri Vedajanani.
Vishnu Maya.
Vishnu Maya. Vishnu Maya.
Vilasini.
Vilasini. Vilasini.
Vishnu Maya Vilasini.
Vishnu Maya Vilasini. Vishnu Maya Vilasini.
Vidhatri Veda Janani.
Vidatri Veda Janani, Vidatri Veda Janani,
Vishnu Maya Vilasini.
Vishnu Maya Vilasini, Vishnu Maya Vilasini.
Very good. So what it is saying? Vishwa Adhika. Vishwa means, what is Vishwa? Any guess? What is Vishwa? Everything we see, the whole world is Vishwa, like Jagat only. Last time we saw it, Jagati Kanda. See, Amma is foundation for this Jagat. Jagat means universe. Same meaning. It is continuing. The same concept is continuing. So Vishwa, the whole universe, the Vishwa. Adhika. Adhika means greater. So Amma is greater than the world we see. The world is created by Amma, right? So she is more than that. She is more powerful. She is the highest, and from her all other Brahma creates, Vishnu sustains, or everything happens. So she is more than what we see, the Vishwa. Vishwa Adhika. Then who she is, Amma? She is Veda Vedya. Veda means the root of our Sanatana Dharma, everything, the knowledge. Veda means the knowledge about everything, the universe. So Veda Vedya. So the one who is talked in Vedas, the one whose knowledge the Vedas is giving, she is that to be known, that which we will know from all different knowledges. Okay, not just Vedas like Rig Veda, Yajurveda, but everything, every scripture that we have, which gives us the knowledge of that Parabrahman. Right, that is the ultimate thing that we are all understanding in through, whether it is Bhagavad Gita or Ramayana or anything we take, understanding that ultimate Parabrahma or ourself is the one. So Amma is that which we need to be known. Amma is Veda Vedya. She is the one to be known by all of us. We are all trying to understand her. She is Veda Vedya. And where is she located? Vindhya. Vindhya are the mountains. Vindhyachala. Like Himachala, Vindhya means there are another mountains. Vindhyachala Nivasini. So she is located there. Right? Then Vidhatri. Vidhatri means the one who has created everything, and not just created. The one who created is Brahma. It is his role. But Vidhatri is, in that creation, she protects us, nurtures us, she takes care of us. So both, it's not just like Amma has created all of us and left like that. No, every moment she protects us. She always takes care of us. Correct? So she is Vidhatri and she is Veda Janani. So the knowledge, the Vedas, whatever that is there, the knowledge, that knowledge is born from Amma. Janani means mother. So she is mother to even Vedas. So everything came from Amma only. Everything is manifesting from Amma. She is the root, and so from her only even the Vedas came. It is said that the Parabrahman's speech is Veda. The breath is Veda. So, and Amma is even mother to that Veda. So Vidhatri, Veda Janani, Vishnu Maya. Now Vishnu. Who is Vishnu?
The preserver.
The preserver, the sustainer, who is making all of us sustain, and he is protecting us. So he is Vishnu. And Maya. He is creating Maya also. So that Maya means illusion, which makes us to think something different than the reality. The reality is different, but we all think and believe that differently. Like I feel I am Nilima, Sitara, Surya, Akshaya. Like that, we feel animal, plant, everything differently we see. But the actual is something else. So what we are now seeing is all illusion, Maya. There is some layer, like a curtain that is hidden. That role of hiding, that hide and seek is played by Amma, and that aspect is called Vishnu Maya. So Amma is that aspect of Vishnu who is creating the illusion for all of us. Okay, she is Vishnu Maya, and she is Vilasini, and she is enjoying nicely. She is creating all this play and illusion to us, and she is enjoying the play. Right? So she is the enjoyer. She is the creator, sustainer. Everything is her only, and we are only thinking myself and I am doing everything. Like this we think, but the ultimate enjoyer is Amma, is the one who is enjoying. She is the Vilasini. Okay, she is doing every activity and she is the one who is the real enjoyer. She is the highest of everything, Vishwa Adhika. Okay, any doubts here? Clear?
Yes,
Clear.
clear.
Okay, fine. We'll go to the next verses. Repeat after me twice. Sitara. Kshetraswarupa.
Kshetraswarupa, Kshetraswarupa,
Kshetreshi.
Kshetreshi, Kshetreshi,
Kshetraswarupa. Kshetreshi.
Kshetraswarupa, Kshetreshi, Kshetraswarupa, Kshetreshi,
Kshetra.
Kshetra, Kshetra,
Kshetrajna.
Kshetrajna, Kshetrajna,
Palini.
Palini, Palini,
Kshetrajna Palini.
Kshetrajna, Palini,
Once more.
Kshetrasya, Palini,
Kshetra. Kshetrajna Palini.
Kshetrajna, Palini,
Once more.
Palini.
So here one more kshetra we'll add now. Kshetra. Kshetrajna Palini.
Kshetra, Kshetrajna, Palini,
Once more.
Kshetra, Kshetrajna, Palini,
Kshetraswarupa. Kshetreshi.
Kshetraswarupa, Kshetreshi, Kshetraswarupa, Kshetreshi,
Kshetra. Kshetrajna Palini.
Kshetra, Kshetrajna, Palini, Kshetra, Kshetrajna, Palini,
Kshaya Vridhi.
Chaya Vriddhi, Chaya Vidri,
Vinirmukta.
Vinirmukta, Vinirmukta,
Kshaya Vridhi. Vinirmukta.
Chaya Vriddhi, Vinirmukta, Chaya Vriddhi, Vinirmukta,
Kshetrapala.
Kshetrapala, Kshetrapala,
Samarchita.
Samarchita, Samarchita,
Kshetrapala Samarchita.
Kshetrapala, Samarchita, Kshetrapala, Samarchita,
Kshaya Vridhi Vinirmukta.
Chaya Vignita, Vriddhi, Vinirmukta,
Once more.
Chaya Vidhi, Vinirmukta,
Kshetrapala Samarchita.
Kshetrapala, Samarchita, Kshetrapala, Samarchita.
Very good. So here we have to understand. Okay. Kshetra. Kshetra means, what is Kshetra? Any guess?
Auntie, would it be place?
Yes, correct. So kshetra means any place. Like we say, right? Pilgrimages also. Like kshetranik, we went to a kshetra. So it's a place. And what place it can be? A place. What is a pilgrimage? Where there is the energy focused, concentrated energy is there. That's why we go to kshetras. Punya kshetra, we say, right? Punya kshetra, because it has the energy there, the concentrated energy to gain which we all go. We all visit those punya kshetras. So kshetra, and the energy, the divine, is everywhere, right? So even within us, we are understanding there is divine within us. So our body itself is a kshetra now. That's why it is said our body itself is temple. And within us is the divine. So kshetra means our body, swarupa. So Amma is form of our body. Then she is kshetreshi, means the one who is in the body. Now she is in our body. So the one who is in the body is also Amma. So our body is Amma. Within us who is there? She is there. The divinity, kshetreshi. And kshetra, kshetragna palini. Palini means the one who is protecting us, nurturing us, taking care of us. Palana karta. So she is taking care of us. So the one who is taking care is also Amma only. Whom she is taking care? She is taking care of the kshetra, the body, and the kshetragna, the one who is in the body. We all assume, right? I am Nilima, I am so and so. So that I we have. We feel that I am, like I am doing this, I am talking, I am sleeping. That I is the kshetragna, the one who is knowing everything and doing things. Kshetragna. Gna means knowledge. Jnanam we say, right? So the one, the knower of the kshetra is also taken care by Amma. She is the Palini. So kshetra, kshetragna, Palini. So Amma is the form of our body, kshetra, the one who is residing in the body, and the one who is knowing about the kshetra and the actions. Everything is taken care by Amma. She is the Palini, the protector, nurturer, the preserver, everything. Then what she is? Amma is Kshaya Vriddhi Vinirmukta. Kshaya means destruction, right? Like we saw, Akshaya means cannot be destroyed. So here Kshaya means the one who can be destroyed, and Vriddhi means growth. Vinirmukta means it is devoid of this, whether growth or destruction. Amma is beyond all these things. Like as we human beings, we are born, then we grow from child, a small baby, to we grow in stages, right? When we were born, we look different. So there is that growth that is called vriddhi. And as we grow old, and then we degrade also. So then we become kshaya. But Amma doesn't have all this growing and decaying, destroying. Because she is beyond all these limited forms. We are limited. We think only we are this much. So we have birth and death. But Amma is not limited. She is everything, right? So she doesn't have all this birth and death. She is eternal. Always she is there. She can never die. So Kshaya Vriddhi Vinirmukta. She is free from all that. Mukta. And Kshetrapala Samarchita. So the one who is taking care of this kshetra is called Kshetrapala, and they are also doing Archana of Amma. Who are all taking care of us? All the Kshetrapalas. Yes, Surya? Amma is taking care, right? But in which form she is taking care? How she is taking care of us?
In the sun
Uh,
form?
Wait, Yagna, can you say?
She takes care of us because she's like our body and she's inside our body.
Yes. So, how she is taking care? How? Sitara?
Keeping us healthy?
Yes. How she is keeping us healthy? Correct.
By giving us the five senses.
Correct. So, with senses, what you are able to do?
We used like see, taste, touch, and smell.
Okay. So, with those seeing and touching, how are you protected?
Because we can see around us where we are and who is around us.
Mhm. And we are enjoying everything, right? We
Yes.
are through
Yes,
these sense
and-
organs, we are enjoying. Mhm. But how she is providing everything to us? Akshaya?
Because she's the creator, the sustainer, and the transformer.
Yes, she is doing all these actions, correct. But who are the Kshetra Palas who are taking care of us?
She uses her Pasam and Angusam to control us.
Correct. So she is controlling us, correct. But how she is taking care of us so nicely. She's keeping us healthy, right? She's not, see, people, so many are dying of corona infection, this and that, but we are protected, we are connected to Amma, so she's taking care of us. How, Surya?
They're giving us food and
Yes, that is the one. So she's giving us proper food, proper water, good water to drink, all the facilities she's giving. Good love from parents, good knowledge we are gaining. All these five elements, the Panchabhutas are the ones, Kshetrapalas, who are giving us. Amma, in their form, in the form of food, she is giving. So whenever we are eating, we are getting some food and we are taken care. So many are not getting food in the world. They are just starving of hunger. But we are getting, we are so fortunate. So she, that way she is protecting. Whenever we drink water, we have to feel that. So these Panchabhutas, five elements, when we are breathing, the air is protecting us. The temperature in our body is maintained. And the space we are living. So these are also doing and worshipping Amma, Archana, Samarchita. So all the elements are also praying Amma, because for them to function, they need energy. And who we can go to for energy? The highest one, always. So she is Vishwadika. So even the elements go to Amma only to gain and do their functions well. Okay, so Kshaya Vriddhi Vinirmukta Kshetrapala Samarchita. Okay, any questions? Clear?
it's clear,
Auntie.
it's
Okay.
clear, Auntie.
Sure. We'll repeat the verses we learned. 4 verses together. Vishwadhika Vedavedya Vindhyachala Vidhatri Vedajanani Vishnumaya Vilasini Kshetrasvarupa Kshetreshi Kshetrajnapalini Kshayavriddhi Vinirmukta Kshetrapala Samarchita. Okay, anybody would like to volunteer and chant? Yagnashri?
Vishwadika Veda Vedya Vindhya Achala.
Combine them. There is line, right? Hyphen there. So we have to make it a one word and say.
Vishwadika Veda Vedya Vindhya Achalan Nivasini. Do I repeat it?
Vindhyachala Nivasini. Correct.
Vishwa नुमाय विलासिनी क्षेत्रक्षु क्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी मुक्ता क्षेत्रपालसमुचिता.
Good. It is kshaya. Kshaya, kshetra. Okay, good. Yeah, Akshaya.
Auntie, can we volunteer?
Yeah, let Akshaya go ahead first. Then you. After Akshaya.
विश्वादिका वेदवेद्या विद्याचलनिवासिनी विद्यातरी वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी क्षेत्रस्वरूप क्षेत्रश्री क्षेत्र जननी जनपालिनी क्षय विद्या विद्यान्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपाल समर्चिता.
Good. It is kshetrajna. Gna.
क्षेत्रज्ञा.
Okay. Fine. Good. Yeah, Ishita.
विश्वादिका वेदवेद्या विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी वेदात्री वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी क्षेत्रस्वरूपा क्षेत्रेशी क्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी क्षया वृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपालसमर्चिता.
Excellent. Excellent. Yeah, Surya.
You want to open?
विश्वादिका वेदवेद्या विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी विद्याति वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी क्षेत्रस्वरूप क्षेत्रश्री क्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी क्षयवृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपाला समर्चिता.
Excellent. Good job.
Hello.
Auntie, can I try?
Who is it, ma?
Omkar.
Omkar. Yes, Omkar.
विश्वादिका वेदवेद्या विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी विधात्री वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी क्षेत्रस्वरूपा क्षेत्रश्री क्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी क्षया वृद्धिर्विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपालसमर्चिता.
Excellent, Omkar. Good.
Adugu.
Can I have a chance?
Yeah, wait. Sitara, go ahead.
Sitara tarvata.
Sitara.
विश्वादिका वेदवेद्या विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी विदाति वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी क्षेत्रस्वरूप क्षेत्रश्री क्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी क्षया वृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपाला समर्चिता.
Perfect. Good. Yes, Nana.
Sriharsha చదువుతున్నాను.
Yeah.
చదువు read.
Prahash.
శ్రీహర్ష చదువు. ప్రహర్ష నువ్వు స్టార్ట్ చేయకు. ఇద్దరు చదవండి.
Together you can say. Together.
विश्वादिका वेदवेद्या विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी विद्याति वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी क्षेत्रस्वरूपा
గట్టిగా
क्षेत्रपालिनी क्षय वृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपाला समर्चिता.
Very good, Nana. Good job. Very nice. Okay. Anybody left would like to do?
Auntie, can I chant?
Okay, Naga.
विश्वा अधिक वेद वेद्य विद्या अचल निवासिनी विद्हत्रे वेद जननी विश्वनुमय विलासिनी
Vishnumaya.
विष्णुमाय विलासिनी क्षेत्र स्वरूपिणी क्षेत्र पाल समर्चिता.
No, you missed one line, Nana. Kshetra Swarupa, Kshetreshi.
क्षेत्रस्वरूप क्षेत्रेषि
क्षेत्रज्ञपालिनी
या क्षेत्रपालिनी क्षय वृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपाल समर्चिता.
Okay, good. Okay, we'll do the final prayers. Good, all of you. Well done. अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करः प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः.
हरि ओम. ओम नमः शिवाय.
हरि ओम.